Kohl's just had a crazy clearance event. You guys are going to have to wait on that video. But oh man, Academy had just as good of an event online. Let's unbox all of this and see what all we got. And there we have it. There should be more coming, but this is the majority of it, I think. Also, pro tip, if you saw me stacking up all of these boxes and the poly mailers, always save all the boxes and poly mailers that you get in the mail. They sent me perfect shoe boxes, perfect hat boxes, and perfectly good poly mailers that can be reused. Even if they're a little ripped like this, tape it up, it'll be good to go. It'll save yourself so much money in the long run if you just reuse everything that comes in. Now getting to everything that we got, they had a crazy amount of Cowboys items on sale. Like these 920 hats. I got actually a couple colors of these. It looks like only the blue, and then the faded blue came in. We got some like purple and red ones like that as well. These were like $8, like $8.58 or something like that. Should be able to get $25 to $30 all day long, especially come football season. They had some snapbacks for like $12 here, and these are an easy like $30. This one's a little deformed, but I can fix that. They had these. No one had these listed, but these are really cool. Dallas Cowboys golfer hats with the rope. I think I can get about $30 for those. And no one has them, and I took stock on them, so should be able to control the market there. Being summer and golf season, those are gonna fly. And then these were the real steal here. $10 for 59.50 hats and 9.50 snapbacks in these random colors. And you may say none of these, even all of these besides this one, are even in Cowboys colors. But like I always say, ugly sells, and people are always going to buy random colors like this. These were $9.98. That's absolutely ridiculous. And 9.50 Cowboys hats go for a minimum of $30 all day long. So I should be able to make a good chunk of change here on these, especially come football season. Now, how did I know about this sale, you might ask? Well, this is my full-time job. This is called online arbitrage. It's finding online deals on these clearance websites when they're running these liquidation events, buying the items and flipping them on eBay for profit. It's what I do full-time. I spend 2 to 3 hours a day searching for these deals. And right now, being summer especially, it is the time when all these companies are liquidating stuff out so they can get that new Christmas inventory in for quarter 4. So now is the time that I'm buying to have stuff for my quarter 4. So I'll take these companies' scraps and I'll flip them before Christmas and make 2-3 times my money on them. So if you don't want to miss out on the next clearance event like this or the Kohl's event, consider joining my bread and butter group. First link in the description. No pressure at all. I'm not forcing anyone to join. Honestly, I think it's only a great group to join if you have some capital and a little experience to know what you're doing, as online and retail arbitrage are very risky. I always recommend people starting with like what I'm doing in my Flipping from Zero series, going to thrift stores, going to bin stores. They're a lot less risky than retail or online arbitrage, and they're a great way to have higher margins. What I do is just more of a volume game. And also, it's important to know with all of these hats are a long-term game, so don't get into hats if you're not expecting to hold them for a while. Like I said, I'm going to sell a lot of these this football season, probably half of them, and then the other half will be gone by the next football season. It's just a slower moving category. Once you see my Kohl's video, you'll see some faster moving inventory. That's shoes. But I love hats. They're easy to store, they're easy to ship, and they're super easy to list. And it's just something that interests me. Always sell stuff that interests you. So this video isn't too long. I just thought you guys might want to see my haul. I was pretty surprised today when I got back from Kohl's, because today was the day that the Kohl's had their clearance event, that my doorstep was just full of all of this stuff. So I just figured I would show you guys a quick video of the haul, where I got it, so you guys can be looking for the deals the next time. Thanks so much for all the support on the channel. Comment down below which odd colorway of Dallas Cowboys hat you guys think will sell first. There's money to be made everywhere, guys. Let's go get it. Thank you for watching The Millennial Prophet.